If email marketing isn't your jam, it needs to be. Simply put, sending random emails is an effective and efficient way to market to warm leads over and over again. Before you roll your eyes and click off at the thought of one more thing to write, at least let me list a few reasons as to why you should take email marketing seriously. It simplifies content creation, centralizes click-through and conversion rates, and is more cost-effective than other types of content marketing. If I still have your attention, give this video a like so you can come back to it when you're writing your own emails. To skip all my yapping, pause the video and scroll to the description for the timestamp of how I achieved an industry-leading open rate of over 50%. I really started pouring a lot of my attention into email because I wanted to post less. Writing is time-consuming and it takes a lot of brain power. I wouldn't trade my job for the world, but it's inherently busy work. With email marketing, you can send emails bi-weekly or monthly. Your readers will be far from overwhelmed. If done correctly, they'll be anticipating your next email blast. With email marketing platforms like Kit, MailChimp, or MailerLite, you can easily tell by your open and click-through rates how excited your audience is to hear from you. Full disclosure, I'm a Kit affiliate, but I'm sure this is true with other email marketing platforms as well. Kit shows you which traffic sources guided readers to your email list, which links in your email are being clicked, and how many people opened your emails, and it's all in one dashboard. Whatever platform you use, these are highly useful metrics. If you're burnt out with posting on multiple platforms multiple times per day, these metrics will show you which platforms are worth keeping. Not every platform has a free option, but email marketing has been shown to have higher returns on investment, or ROI, than other forms of content marketing. According to MailMunch and other sources, email marketing has an average ROI between $38 and $42 per dollar spent. Certainly nothing to shrug off. When you combine all of these life-easing reasons with the convenience of automation, leveraging email for your brand is a no-brainer. To draft emails your readers will actually want to open, you need to do these 5 things. First, you need a value-first lead magnet. This is anything your ideal readers or reader segments will find valuable. Give them a reason to invite you into their inbox. Totally Centers vibes. Your lead magnet is their first introduction to your content. Use it wisely. They'll sign up to get your lead magnet. They'll stay when your content matters to them. That brings me to your welcome series. You need a welcome series, 3 to 5 emails, that delivers what you promise. Every email that your customer stays on your list is a customer retained. As the old saying goes, it's cheaper to keep them. Your welcome sequence has to make readers want to read, watch, or listen to your messages. This is where you make the connection that drives readers to take action. That can be a button that directs to your socials, a link to your book, or a sign-up page to your next event. No matter what action you want readers to take, you have to direct them there. This is called a call to action, or CTA. Saying, hit that button below to pre-order my upcoming release is a call to action. I highly recommend you soften the ask just a little bit. Soft selling wins in email marketing. This sales approach is relationship-based. Instead of saying, buy my book and order your signed copy now, you're creating an experience for your customer that is so amazing they can't wait to buy your next book. While I'm not saying don't link your books and other merch, this comes secondary to serving your reader with what you have to say. Last but not least, promote the benefits of signing up for your email list. Social media can be a great way to direct readers to your mailing list. Don't just say, sign up for my emails, link in the comments. Provide actual value. Read a snippet of your deleted scene and then prompt readers to sign up for your email list to read the full scene and get more perks. Talk about why your lead magnet is beneficial to your reader. When they see it's free, boom, you've hooked them. Now you have a warm lead on your email list. If you made it this far, clearly you care about building a relationship with your readers. Still confused? Set up a strategy call with me at my introductory rates. I'll walk you through exactly how to create a value-first lead magnet and welcome sequence. You'll even get a customized brand guide for your author business. So if you do once, now send those branded email blasts and turn lurkers into raving fans.